All of you, we are going to describe about geometry in inorganic compound and in which type of hybridization so the compound. So we get by a formula capital H equal to 1 by 2 V plus M minus C plus A, where capital H number of orbital involved in hybridization, where H equal to number of orbitals involved in hybridization, and where M define capital M number of monovalent atoms, number of monovalent atoms, and C number of cation, and A number of anion. So let us how apply inorganic compound of this formula and get what kind of hybridization involved in the given inorganic compound. So let us take example CCl4 monovalent atom CCl4. So where formulation capital H, the value we get CCl4 as equal to 1 by 2 and the balance number of valence electron in central atom. So like the central atom carbon, and carbon have 4 electrons, so value of V equal to 4, and number of monovalent, value of M equal to monovalent atom, so here is 4, so 4 also, and number of cation and number of anion 0, so like 1 by 2 into 8 4. So the geometry when you get Sp number of orbital 2 orbital equal to 2, add here Sp2 3, add Sp3 4 number of orbital, so 1 S and 1 P, so total 2 orbital. So when we get the value of S equal to 2, so that compound represent Sp hybridization, and we get when S equal to 3, so that compound represent Sp2 hybridization, and here is total orbital 3p and 1s, so total 4 orbital. So when we get by explanation the value of H, we get 4, so Sp3 hybridization, and next hybridization Sp3d, so like 5, so total number of orbital 3 and 4, 4 and 5, and the next orbital Sp3d2, then they get the value of 6, and Sp3d3 get the value of 7. So this is the value of H. This is the value of H, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So Sp hybridization and 6 define Sp3 D2 hybridization, and the value of H define 7 Sp3 D3 hybridization. So here we get the value of H. So value of H here represent Sp3 hybridization. So thus CCl4 compound sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybridization. And let us take another example, PCl5. So PCl5, the value of H, we get the value of H equal to 1 by 2, and in that case the central atom is phosphorus, and phosphorus have total valence electron equal to 5, so value of B equal to 5, and plus number of monovalent atoms, so chlorine, number of monovalent atoms, so 5 chlorine atoms, so here the value of M equal to also 5, and cation and anion, there is no present cation and anion, so the value of C and A also 0, so you take the value of you get 10, so 5, so like this value of 5, so when we get the value of S equal to 5, so sp3 hybridization, so PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride represent the hybridization, sp3d hybridization, so here sp3 hybridization in PCl5. And let us take another example, so like we get the hybridization and the value of cation, in the case of cation SO4 2 minus, this is a sulfate ion, so the sulfur is central atom, we know that sulfur is central atom, and surroundings neighboring atoms of oxygen, neighboring atoms of sulfur, all 4 oxygen, so we get the value of H equal to 1 by 2, and the central atom S have total valence electron 6, so value of, and V equal to 6, and plus oxygen, you know that oxygen divalent, not a monovalent, so we want only monovalent atom, and calculation we take the value of only monovalent atom, so M also 0, and here cation and anion, so cation is 0 and anion, the value of anion is -2, so 0 and also 0 and plus the value of anion equal to, anion is 2, so 1 by 2 into 6 and 2 8, so 4 equal to 4, so sulfate ion also represent the hybridization, this is a 4, so when sp3 hybridization, so sulfate ion does hybridization sp3 hybridization. Let us take another example, phosphotione PO4 3 minus, so we get the value of H equal to 1 by 2, and central atom phosphorus have total number of valence atom, total number of valence electron 5, plus oxygen is divalent, so value of M 0, and cation is no present, also 0, and anion value of -3, anion, so total value of 1 by 2 into 5 and 3 8, so cancel 4, H equal to 4, and here when we get the value of H equal to 4, so this is a represent sp3 hybridization in phosphate ion PO4 3 minus, and let us take another example, carbonate ion. So carbonate ion, what kind of hybridization represent carbonate ion? So value we calculate capital H equal to 1 by 2 and the central atom carbon has total 4 electrons. So V equal to 4 and M monovalent atom. So we know that oxygen is divalent atom. So monovalent atom equal to 0 and cation also 0 and anion is minus 2. So anion is 2. So value of H 1 by 2 into 6 and 3. So this is a 3. Value of H we get. So here is total and 3 orbital involved in this hybridization. So the value of H equal to 3 represent sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. And let us take another example. According to cation, in the case of cation, another example in the case of cation, like ammonium, NH4 plus ion. So nitrogen, there is central atom and nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. So value of H equal to 1 by 2 and the valence electron 5 and plus the value of M here 4 and cation, number of cation equal to 1 and 0. So like 1 by 2 into total number 10. So 5, the value of H equal to 5. So number of orbital involved in the hybridization is 5. So in the case of 5, regarding sp3d hybridization, so here is sp3 hybridization in ammonium ion NH4 plus. And also let us take another example. In the case of cation, CH3 plus, so the value of H equal to 1 by 2 and the carbon, central atom is carbon and has total valence electron 4 and the hydrogen is monovalent atom. So value of M equal to 3 and number of cation 1 and number of anion 0. So like 1 by 2 into total calculate 7 minus 1 is 6. So here is 3. So when we get the value of H equal to 3, so sp2 hybridization CH3 plus CH3 to cation sp2 hybridization. So in the case of sp2 hybridization, so thank you for watching my